What's up, guys? Michael here. We just meet this puppy here behind the. This is a dog here, boy. He just walked over our house. What are these housekeepers? They have a dog, and look, they mostly just hang out around here. Look at this. Hey, buddy. Hi, you're gonna be famous on YouTube. You want to be on YouTube, bro? You're gonna be a world star. Oh, I don't know. Have you guys seen that video? I hope you love it. But I will see it after we're done with this one. Well, this is Michael, the behind the scenes. We just saw this little cute puppy over here. He keeps acting like we're one of his own. Like she lives here with us. If her name's Lola.
I think his name was Rox.
Oh, they go play it again. Who's gonna make the first move? Oh, now she just laid down. It's just a whole dare contest. Her tail's waggling. She's ready. Oh, there she goes, making a move. Hey! Oh! Oh! You little puppy. Our dog is so scared of him. Oh my god, hello. Oh, this is so cool. Dang, he's just sitting over here. I don't know, this is a girl or boy, but let me know guys if this is a girl or boy. Can we get at least like 5 likes on this video, guys?
Alex, I think he's thirsty.
Huh?
He's thirsty.
Do we have another? Wait, do we have a bowl of water in our car?
Ask him first.
Huh?
He has some water. And he's thirsty.
So his tongue first. See if it's dry or. Hey, Dad.
Yeah, it's kind of dry, alright. And it has no spin.
Guys, this is literally the whole video here, guys. It's just too much. I'm gonna sit down over here.
So then he doesn't eat nothing on the carpet.
Look at these puppies, guys. Oh. Guys, you gotta like this video for these puppies here.
It's adorable.
I'm gonna sit down here, Audrey. Ow! I'm alright, bro. Okay. Oh yeah, you little dog.
Yeah, excuse me.
Huh? That's what he said. Come out real quick before I get shut down. Oh! Flash water! Flash water! Flash water! Flash water! Do you have the flash water?
Right there on the ground.
Oh, there it is. We're mostly hanging out here, guys, to see what these dogs could do. I don't want Lex being a fry. I don't want Lex being a fry. I don't want Lex to be a little sandwich. A little fresh little sandwich. God dang! We just gotta have a blanket and this dog like sitting over here. Oh, he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it, alright. Here, you take the camera.
He's in love with this.
Yo. Oh my god. Oh, he's looking at his paws.
You're all pretty.
Oh, They're meeting up again.
Yeah.
God bless you both.
Mm-hmm. Yo, you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Oh,
Look at how cute that is.
these puppies here are just nice, you know, guys. Our motel might be crazy, but this dog's coming to see over my flash water. Why, you want to be petted by the flash water?
You're so cute.
Oh! Dad! He put his butt between Audrey's legs. Oh my god, look! Oh, she just loves this dog. Dad, come look. Oh my god, guys. This is the ending of the video. I don't want nobody having a heart attack over this cuteness.
Hey, Dad, come on back.
Between this cute little dog and
Hey, Dad.
this cute, mysterious dog. I don't know what his name is, but
I think his name's Chopper.
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 Hey, Lola, don't go wandering off. Lola. Tell me, Lily. Hey, I'm not talking to you, pal.
Come here, girl.
I never forget you, boy. Because we're petting this dog doesn't mean he's us. Ours. We're going to call him...
Roxy?
Dude,
Rocky?
he might look like a... I'm going to call him Balboa. Rocky Balboa.
Rocky? Balboa?
Rocky! Rocky Balboa.
Oh, no.
No, we're not going to call him Rocky. We're going to call him Pennywise.
Really, Pennywise?
Yeah, Lola and Pennywise. Oh, Lola and Pennywise are going. Oh, I just put her... Oh! Oh, there they go. Oh, they're started. They're about to. Ah!
It's okay, Jack. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, you both can lay down. Just don't fight.
Don't fight, guys. You're okay. You can fight.
Oh,
He loves me.
okay. But this is the ending of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and share this video all around for people that love dogs. If your dog has died, you can watch this video to make you feel better. Like and subscribe, everybody. Turn on your bell for notifications. And tell me in the comments who you want to see first. Is it this guy, Pennywise, or is it Lola? Tell me which one is the cutest in this video. If it's Pennywise, you vote. If you vote for Pennywise or you vote for Lola, I'm going for my Lola. Pennywise might be cute, but he ain't that cute. I guess we go for Pennywise and Lola. We'll catch all you scenes in the next video behind the scenes later. This is Michael behind the scenes. Peace.